Hello everyone, myself Arvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor B.Ed College, affiliated by Guru Gobind Singh University. So today our topic is difference between guidance and counseling. So before watching my video, kindly like, comment or share. If you like my video, please like, comment or share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. So, before understanding the difference between guidance and counseling, it is very important to understand the basic concept of guidance and counseling. So, the general meaning of guidance is basically to direct, to give direction to any person, to show the way, to show the path, to guide, to help, to give suggestions. Guidance is a process of helping the individual discover him or herself with his or her potentialities and capabilities, abilities and attitudes, interest and natural endowment, and to help him her in making maximum development and use of all these potentiality to the best advantages of the individual and their society. So definitely guidance means to give direction to the person who wants some help from you. If on the road anybody is asking you the way of going somewhere, anywhere, if you are directing them, yeah, you should go right or left or straight, so you are guiding that person. So because that person is experienced for that particular thing, so guidance doesn't matter with the age. Guidance basically is to any experienced person can give you the guidance. Even a child, even a young person, even an elder person from you, even a child, even a kid can give you the guidance. Definition of guidance: according to Jones, guidance is the promotion of the growth of the individual in self direction. According to Morris, guidance is a process of helping individuals through their own efforts to discover and to develop their potentiality for personal happiness and usefulness. Guidance is a process of helping every individual through his own efforts. Guidance basically means one experienced person will guide you, but at the end, you have to follow that path to get the self direction, self actualization, self realization. Finally, that person who is in the problem have to follow the path individually and self. So next, counseling, which is very important. Counseling is a face-to-face process in which counselor assists the client or counselee in arriving at the decision or making a choice. Counseling involves talking with a person in a way that help the person solve a problem or a help to create condition that will cause the person to understand or improve his her behavior, character, values and belief of the client. So counseling is the face to face interaction with the there is a face to face interaction between counselor and the counselee, between the counselor and the client. Basically in counseling there is one to one interaction. Definition of counseling: according to Strang, counseling means face to face relationship in which growth take place in the counselor as well as counselee. In counseling, basically, there is a face to face relationship between counselor and counselee, as we already discussed, and growth take place of counselor as well as counselee. Counselor is also getting new experiences and counselee is also getting new experiences to solve the particular problem. Carl Rogers, counseling is a definitely structured permissive relationship. Permissive relationship basically means the person who is eager to get his problem solved is allowing you to get her problem solved. So here client is giving permission to the counselor, yes, you are allowed to solve my problem. We are giving you the free environment, we are giving you the freer mind, so you are able to express your gestures, your feeling, so that your emotions will burst and we will be able to solve your problem. So our next topic is difference between guidance and counseling. I hope you understand what is guidance, what is counseling. So now we will discuss our main topic, difference in between guidance and counseling. First is difference in scope. Guidance has a wider scope, counseling has a narrow scope because counseling is a part of guidance. Difference in need. All person need guidance, but counseling is needed by those who face serious educational, vocational, psychological problems. Difference in problem. Guidance is a pre-problem, that there is no specific problem that is identified in an individual. Counseling is a post-problem, has already identified. Difference in continuity. Guidance is continuous process and lifelong process. Counseling is needed only when a person faces some crucial or specific problem. Economy. Guidance is economical in terms of time, energy, and money. Counseling is time consuming and expensive process. Then we talk about rapport. Rapport between the counselor and client is very essential for providing effective counseling. In providing effective guidance, it is not essential to establish rapport. So no need of rapport between, in guidance especially, no need of rapport between a client and your guide. Seventh is difference in nature. Guidance is mainly preventive and developmental in nature. Counseling is remedial as well as curative in nature. Eighth, difference in relationship. Eighth and last point. In guidance, face-to-face relationship is not essential, but in counseling, face-to-face relationship is very important. Thank you so much. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, and share my video. One more thing I want to say, that please tell me in which topics you are interested. Comment me. I will definitely make a video on that particular topic. Thank you so much.